Kumro Chingri is a quick and easy side dish you can enjoy with rice for your busy weekdays lunch or weeknight dinner. Namaskar, I'm Shamali Sinha. Welcome to Foodie. Let's get started. Now, I'm starting off by cutting the pumpkin. If you are in Melbourne, for this recipe, try to buy canned pumpkin. Peel off the skin, but don't remove all the skin because this will help to give the texture of the dish. Next, take a piece, cut it into small dice pieces. Then wash them. Here I have some prawns. Add turmeric powder, salt and give a mix. Now either you can buy clean and deshelled prawn or you can clean and devein your prawn on the weekend and fry them. I'm adding these prawn in this preheated mustard oil and fry each side for about 30 seconds or so, and then turn the other side. Fry for another 30 seconds and remove from the oil. In this bowl I have Fenugreek seeds, Cumin seeds, Fennel Seeds. Here I have a dry red chilli and bay leaf. Add in the hot oil and then add these whole spices. Add this diced pumpkin. Sprinkle turmeric powder and salt. Cook over high heat for a minute and then reduce the heat to medium. Partially cover it and cook until the pumpkins halfway cooked through. Time to add in cumin powder. Cook until the raw smell of the cumin powder gone and then add these fried prawns. Time to add some green chillies. Add warm water and over high heat let it come to a boil. You can add a little bit of sugar to balance the taste, but this pumpkin tastes sweet, so I don't need to add sugar. Reduce the temperature to medium-low, cover with a lid and let it simmer until the gravy thickens. Add some more slid green chilies for flavor. Then over high heat, cook just for a minute and then turn off the heat and give 10 to 15 minutes resting time before serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give this recipe a try and do let me know what do you think about this recipe. And if you enjoy this video, then like, share, comment and subscribe to Foodie. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.